So there are some new people out here who are not very familiar with the software. So it's okay. It takes time. Everything it takes time. सब चीज को वक्त लगता है. आप ये सोचेंगे कि 2-4 दिन में, हफ्ते भर में हम सब समझ जाएंगे, वैसा नहीं होता है. It takes time. So be patient. There are a lot of things that you will not understand when you know what some terminology, some things that some strategy that we are discussing, you may not understand, but everything takes time, and with time you will understand everything. We have these sessions every week. So we have one mentor session and one EMS session almost every week. Only once in a while when कोई Friday जब भी कोई available नहीं होता है to conduct the session, only that time we defer it. Otherwise, most of the time, every Friday we have these sessions, these support sessions. So this is one routine exercise that we do. The disclaimer is that we are not a registered investment advisor. Shashwat Technologies Private Limited nor the presenter claim to be an investment advisor. This session and the discussion is generic in nature, offering wide-ranging investment-related information to users, and is not tailored to the specific investment needs of any individual user. All users are expected to consult with their own independent financial advisors and perform their own due diligence research before making any trade or investment decisions. So we have to be very clear here. What we are doing is we are helping you make the decision. It is just a platform, a software. We are not investment advisors. We don't intend to be investment advisors. We just intend to be a software provider, a software which is which is way advanced than what you get because it is 100% automated. And Osta is the only authorized provider of training and support for Shashva. So Osta, there are many people out there who claim they will be giving support and they charge humongous kinds of amounts of money. We have heard that people are charging 50,000 rupees and they say that, we will trade you on Shashva and stuff like that. But we have not authorized anyone to conduct trainings on our behalf. Only Osta, that is online training academy. Support and Training Academy is the authorized provider of training and support for Shashva. If we have offline trainings, physical trainings, we will inform people. But for now, we are only conducting online sessions. And no other individual firm is authorized to offer any training or support related activity by Shashva Technologies. Okay. Any training or support or related activity by Shashva Technologies, no individual or firm is authorized. All rights are reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted in any form or by any means, including photocopying, recording, or other electronic or mechanical methods, without the prior written permission of Shashva Technologies. All right. So let's get down to the the guidelines of this session. The guidelines, questions have been segregated into 4 topics: investment trading strategy, software understanding, software issues, software suggestions. Okay. So it is not necessary that we may have questions in all the 4 categories. They have been divided. In whichever category your question falls, we will discuss that. Okay. Names have been withheld to respect privacy. We don't divulge names of people who are asking the questions, simply because there are many people who get intimidated, who don't like their name being discussed. Sometimes you may feel that the question is very is a stupid question. So for that, we don't discuss names. Okay. So let's these are the questions that we have received for today's AMS session, that is today's Ask Me Anything session. So the first question is how to trade in MCDX, NCDX futures, and what algo parameters and precautions should be kept in mind. Okay. So for this, I would say that our system, our software is more than capable of selecting trades, of doing the analysis and selecting trades for MCX and NCDX futures. So if you use RT Auto Trade Scanner, in the RT Auto Trade Scanner, you select MCDX or NCDX as the market, and all the trades are there for you to see. Right? All the trades that have passed all our filtration process, after all the due filtration and all the analysis, the trades are presented. However, if you wish to use the Shashva Algo Scanner, Shasva Algo Scanner, if you select MCX futures and NCDX futures, in MCX and NCDX, because of the volatility in the markets in these segments, the scripts are very volatile. If you take crude, gold, silver, for example, they are very volatile, and it is very difficult to find 3, 4, 5. Of course, 5-star rating script we still haven't found in Shasva. So unlike stocks in commodities, it is very difficult to find scripts with 3 stars, 4-star ratings. So in that case, what happens is you have to you can go for 2-star rated stocks in MCDX and in MCX and NCDX. But having said that, I still think there is no need for you to do that. Our RT Auto Trade Scanner, it does all the analysis, all the filtration, and it gives you the scripts that are ready to be traded, whether on the long side or the short side. Right, so you don't need to use the algo parameters. There is no necessity of using algo parameters, the algos, because the RT Auto Trade Scanner, any which ways, it gives you stocks which are duly filtered using our algos. So you using the algos, you are duplicating what the machine is doing, and you have to understand that the machine is much more capable than you are. So अगर machine आपका काम कर रहा है तो आपको क्यों करना है, right? So that is for as far as your MCX and NCDX futures is concerned. I will repeat, for people who are using the star scanner, Shasva star scanner for MCX and NCDX, you can go for 2-star rated stocks, because it is very difficult to find 3 and 4-star rated stocks in MCX and NCDX. Okay. One more question is how to trade in call and put at what price, because peak trough levels are given for share price. How to arrive at call put entry exit price at what strike price. Now, if you all remember, there was a similar question asked in the last AMA session. So I would suggest to save time of everybody here, I would suggest that whosoever has asked this question, or for anybody who might have this question in mind, please go to the last AMA session. The video is there on YouTube, and it is clearly mentioned how you are supposed to trade options using our RT Auto Trade Scanner. There is an elaborate explanation on that. So you please refer to the last AMA session. If you so wish, we will give you the timeline from what time to what time you are supposed to watch the video. We will give you that timeline, and you can watch that video. So that is clearly addressed in the last AMA session. Okay. One more question is, which strategy should one follow in Adani Green stock? Which stop loss should we follow, and when to book profits? Now, when we talk of stocks like Adani Green, I know why Adani Green has come. The question of Adani Green has come because Adani Green is, it has gone from like 50, 60 rupees to 400 and something rupees, and now again it is 300 and something rupees. So, there is a lot of euphoria when as far as Adani Green is concerned. So, stocks that are unidirectional. You by unidirectional, I mean when stocks are moving in one direction. Okay, the best strategy to follow is to follow a daily stop loss, because what happens is in a unidirectional move, if you allow the stock to move back, then what happens is जैसे वो one direction में ऊपर गया है वैसे वो एक direction में नीचे आएगा. So what happens is, see, you have to understand our peak and trough. Okay, for all the newcomers here, all the people who are new, peak is the resistance, simply put, and trough is the support. Okay, so there is a horizontal green line and there is a horizontal red line. If the newcomers don't know, it is something very simple. It has been discussed in our YouTube videos. We can have a session on that next Friday. It is okay. But the peak and the trough are formed very late when the stock moves in one direction. Okay. So if the stock moves up, you will not find any new peak or trough because there is no price correction. The there is no support that has been formed, or there is no resistance that has been formed. तो अगर आज एक स्टॉक 400 रुपए के ऊपर जाके रिट्रेस होगा, तब हमको पता चलेगा कि 400 रुपया इज द रेजिस्टेंस. लेकिन अगर स्टॉक रिट्रेस ही नहीं हो रहा है और वन डायरेक्शन जा रहा है, तो उसमें सपोर्ट भी फॉर्म नहीं होगा और रेजिस्टेंस भी फॉर्म नहीं होगा. सो यू विल नॉट फाइंड अ पीक और अ ट्रफ. सो इन सच अ सिचुएशन, the best strategy to follow is a daily trough. So if you are, let's assume that you have bought Adani Green, the best strategy to follow is to follow on a daily chart. When you open a historical chart, like for example, I will just take you through. I will just do that exercise here. I will open the charts here. Adani Green. Yeah, is everything okay? Audio, video, screen visible, everything okay? Yeah. Just time to time, just keep giving me a thumbs up so I understand that everything is fine.
Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you. So we go to Adani Green, and see, this is what I mean by a unidirectional movement. If you see here, from 200 and some rupees to 486 rupees, you see this is a unidirectional movement. And जितना फास्ट वो ऊपर गया है, वो यहाँ से उतना फास्ट नीचे भी आया है, राइट? नाउ व्हेन यू सी द एंटायर चार्ट, ये रिट्रेसमेंट आपको इतना बड़ा नहीं लगता है, बट इट्स अ बिग रिट्रेसमेंट. From 486 rupees, it has come down to almost 300 and something rupees. Okay, so in such cases, the best thing to do is follow the daily trough. See, this red line here is the daily trough. This, if you see here, 1 day. By 1 day, we mean it's a daily chart. A daily chart is a 1 day chart. Okay, so it's a daily chart, and this is the peak, the green line, and this is the trough. So you follow the trough for exit. That is the best strategy that you can follow in such stocks when you have seen a unidirectional movement in the stock. Okay, otherwise, for very long term investors, by very long term I mean people who are buying stocks for 3, 4, 5 years, we have seen over a period of time that the best strategy to follow for long term investment is on a daily chart, you follow the zone. You follow the zone, and you follow the bottom of the zone. Now here you can see in Adani Green, because the movement has been unidirectional, and because you are looking at a short span of time, आपको लगता है कि अरे मतलब वीकली जोन इतना नीचे है, ऑलमोस्ट 200 रुपए का फर्क है बिटवीन द ट्रफ एंड द बॉटम ऑफ द जोन. बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, जैसे जैसे स्टॉक आगे बढ़ेगा, आपका जोन भी करेक्ट होता रहेगा. जस्ट लाइक इफ यू सी हियर, I will again take you to the chart for a better understanding, so there is no confusion left. So here, as you see that continuously the trough is going up without being broken. Now for all the newcomers who don't know what do you mean by trough being broken, so here if you see this red line is being breached, the red line is coming down. The red line is coming down, that means it is breached. When the red line keeps going up and there is no breach of the line, see here also there is a breach of the line. If you can see where I am moving my cursor, there is a breach of the red line where the price is coming down below the red line. So this is break of trough. So here if you see, it is continuously going up, going up, going up, from this level, from this level here it has gone up, from this level again it has gone up, from this level again it has gone up, from this level again it has gone up, from here again it has gone up, from here again it has gone up. Same thing will happen with the zone. So the zone also will go up. If really your timeline is like, if you are really looking for the long term, right? If you are looking at the short term, then आपको लगेगा कि अरे मतलब I cannot lose this 200 and something rupees. You know, there it is too much to lose. सही बात है, it is too much to lose if the price comes down. But हो सकता है अगर ये स्टॉक 2000 हो जाए एक साल के बाद में, there probably your bottom of the zone, which is here 111.90, almost 112 rupees, it may go up to 1200 rupees, it may go up to 1300 rupees, it may go up to 1800 rupees, we don't know, right? So कल क्या होगा हमको नहीं मालूम, किसी ने नहीं देखा है. So जो स्ट्रैटेजी आपको बनाना है वो आज बनाना है और वो फॉलो करना है. एंटिसिपेशन में अगर आप स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओगे और वो रोज आपका स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करोगे, that does not work. So you have to decide exactly what you are, whether you are in here for the very long term, whether you are in here for the intermediate term, whether जो मिला हो आपको लेके निकल जाना है. If that is the case, then you have to follow the daily trough. But again, mind you, if you are following the daily trough, then ensure that in every other stock you follow the daily trough. आप एक के अंदर ट्रफ, डेली ट्रफ फॉलो करेंगे, एक के अंदर जोन फॉलो करेंगे, एक के अंदर ट्रफ ब्रेक ट्रफ सेल करेंगे, दूसरे के अंदर ब्रेक ट्रफ सेल नहीं करेंगे. इट डज नॉट वर्क दैट वे. You know, it has to be very, very, very consistent. Okay, so I hope we are clear on this. Yeah, any are we clear? Any doubt so far on what we discussed right now? Anybody?
No, sir. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes,
great.
sir.
Okay. Excellent. So the next we move on to the next question. Please explain how to put stop loss for F&O stocks bought following 75 and 125 minutes. Should it be the same parameter or change to 25 minutes and 15 minutes trough to protect profits? Examples are Balkrishna Industries, Escorts, Muthoot, etc. I will simplify the question for you. I will elaborate the question for you to understand it better. So basically 175, 125 to 25 minutes, these are all time frames. Okay, these are all time frames. So 75 minutes simply is chart plotted on 75-minute candle or bar. 125 minutes is chart plotted on a 125-minute candle or bar. 25 minutes is candle or chart plotted on a 25-minute candle or bar, and so on and so forth. Right now, one thing you have to understand very clearly is 75 and 25 minutes are specifically for carryover trades. Now, what are carryover trades? Carryover trades are trades that you don't intend to close on the same day. They are not intraday trades. So let's assume you have bought today. In 75 minutes, there will be only how many candles? I think 5 candles of 75 minutes. Am I right? 5 candles of 75 minutes in a day. So the movement is not so much that your stop loss will change. In 125 minute also, the movement is not so much that your stop loss will change during the day. And 75 and 125 minute are basically for the patient traders, the traders who are not looking to exit intraday. People who are willing to buy, hold it for a couple of days, hold it for a couple of weeks probably if your trade goes well. And if that happens, then your stop loss keeps changing because we trail the stop loss. So your stop loss keeps updating. You keep updating your stop loss as and when it is updated. And that is why you trade 75 and 125. Now, if you use the stop loss of 25 minutes and 15 minutes for your 75 and 125 minutes trade, that means you are not patient. You don't want to wait. That means you want to get out on the same day. Okay, which defeats the purpose of trading 75 minute and 125 minute. Right? 75 and 125 minute basically, if you put a stop loss of 25 minutes and 15 minutes, then it is it is very much possible that आपका stop loss hit हो जाएगा वही same day and you will be out of the trade. It is very much possible. So 75 minutes and 125 minutes are for carryover traders who are patient. And believe me, if you are patient, you get 1 lakh rupees profit in one lot. There are trades I will share. We can share them with you. We have shared them on. We have an Instagram page. If you go on Instagram, we share those trades, 75-minute and 125-minute trades. There are trades where you get 1 lakh rupees profit in one lot. That kind of money you can make. So if you are trading 5 lots, 5 lakh profit in just one stock, in just one position. So that is the kind of money that you can make. So if you fear losing this money, अगर आपको डर लगता है कि अरे मैंने ये नहीं किया तो मैं ये I will lose this जो प्रॉफिट आ रहा है वो मैं लूज कर दूंगा, आपको ये बड़ा प्रॉफिट कभी देखने मिलेगा ही नहीं. You are defeating the very purpose why you are trading 75 and 125. The purpose of trading 75 and 125 minutes are two. One is that you are looking for big profits. Okay, you are not looking for small profits. And two, you are telling the market, I am patient. मेरे में patience है. I can wait. You know, अगर दो हफ्ते बाद पैसा मिलेगा तो भी चलेगा. I am okay with that. Right? So if you are putting a stop loss of 25 minutes and 15 minutes, you are defeating the purpose, very purpose of why you are trading 75 minutes. So the clear answer is no. Okay, the clear answer is no. You may find, see, it is the market. The market, one, you have to understand one thing very clearly in the stock market is Murphy's law will always apply. What is the Murphy's law? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So वो stock market में भी applicable है. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. अब ये समझ के चलना. तो अगर आपने कोई stock लिया है 75 मिनट में, आपने 125 मिनट में उसका stop loss नहीं लगाया, वो आपको प्रॉफिट दे रहा है, बाद में वो नीचे आके वापस आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर गया, आपको जो एक टाइम के ऊपर आपको 20,000 प्रॉफिट दे रहा था, अभी वो 25,000 लॉस दे रहा है. इट विल हैपन. इट हैपेंस ऑल द टाइम. दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू चेंज योर स्ट्रेटेजी ऑन एंड ऑफ. दैट डज नॉट मीन. अगर 2 ट्रेड में आपका 25,000 जाएगा तो आपको वो एक ट्रेड भी मिलेगा जिसके अंदर आपको एक ही स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर 1 लाख रुपया पर लॉट मिलेगा. ओके, बट फॉर दैट आपको 2 स्टॉप लॉस लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आप बोलो कि मैं छोटा प्रॉफिट भी ले लूं और मैं बड़ा प्रॉफिट भी ले लूं तो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? देन द बिग प्रॉफिट विल नॉट कम एट. राइट? सो आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड दिस क्वेश्चन to the best of my ability. The simple answer is no. Okay. The next question is, please give little more guidance about trailing stop loss and profit protection. Now see here, this is very subjective. The reason being why I say this is subjective is because there are different time frames. There is a 15-minute time frame, there is a 25-minute time frame, there is 75-minute, 125-minute, or there is intraday, there is carryover, there is long-term cash trading. There are all these things. So if you are trading intraday, for intraday your strategy will be different. If you are trading intraday, your strategy would be you put your stop loss and you forget it. The reason I say you forget it is because you have already factored in your risk or your loss. It is already done. You have already done your risk analysis. The system has done the analysis for you. The system has recommended the number of lots, the size of the trade for you. The system is telling you this is your risk for the trade. Once you have that, the best thing to do is continue the trade till 3:25 in the afternoon. 5 minutes before the market closes, you should end that trade. Okay, that is the best strategy to follow for intraday. For carryover trades, if you are trading 75 minutes, 125 minutes, and you're doing you're doing futures trading, for carryover trade, you follow the trough. You simply follow the trough as the stop loss. Once you follow the trough as the stop loss, it is your job is done. And if you are in the long term, if you are really there for the long term, then what we discussed in Adani Green, you follow the bottom of the zone for your in the daily chart for your long-term trades. So if you are you have to decide exactly what kind of trading you are doing. Depending on that, your trailing stop loss and profit protection will vary. So it is very important. So if you see ये बोलने में और सुनने में बड़ा आसान लगता है, but I ask so many people this question that have you identified what you are exactly out to do? And most people even today are not able to answer that question. When I ask them that are you a intraday trader, are you a carryover trader, are you a trader or an investor, are you a long-term investor, and people are not able to answer that question, right? It is very difficult. It is like going I'll give you an analogy if it makes sense. It's like going to a cricket coach and you are telling the cricketing coach that मुझे cricket खेलना है. So if you're going to the coach will ask you in cricket what you want to do. Do you want to be a bowler? Do you want to be a batsman? Do you want to be a wicket keeper? Do you want to be a fast bowler? Do you want to be a slow bowler, spin bowler? Do you want to be an opening batsman? Do you want to be a late order batsman? आपको क्या करना है तो ये बताओ, तो वो हिसाब से हम आपको ट्रेनिंग देंगे. Here you are just coming and saying हमको स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा बनाना है, right? It does not work this way. You understand? अगर आप किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, तो अगर आपको आपका बॉस पूछेगा कि ये जॉब में आपको क्यों दूं, तो आर यू गोइंग टू टेल योर बॉस और योर टू बी बॉस, आर यू गोइंग टू टेल हिम कि मुझे पैसा कमाना है, इसके लिए आप मुझे जॉब दे दो? विल ही गिव यू द जॉब? You have to show your boss that you are capable of doing the job, that you have the qualifications, what you bring to the table, what value addition you are doing. That is very important. तो अगर आप बोलेंगे कि स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा कमाना है, that is a very vague statement. You have to understand. I cannot, मतलब मैं इसके ऊपर I am stressing so much because it is very important. It is the fundamentals, very key fundamental of trading. You have to understand that you have to make up your mind what you want to do in the stock market. I personally we do these hand holding sessions where we personally cater to people's trading needs, जहाँ पे हम लोग को लगता है कि मतलब लोगों को जरूरत है. People call us personally. One day they become long term investor, the other day they become futures trading, third day they say sir मैं futures को हाथ ही नहीं लगाता हूँ, fifth day they are become intraday trader, sixth day they are buying options. They don't know what they are doing, and as a result we don't know what they are doing, right? So this is very important. We all have to understand. Unless and until your basics are in place, nothing is going to work for you. Okay? And software, trust me, software is a video game. So you have to decide whether you want to play a video game or whether you want to trade. And over a period of time, last 5 साल में क्या हुआ? Because there has been so much stress on analysis. I have seen that most people have primarily become analysts and secondly they are traders. No, primarily you are traders. Your primary job is to trade. Your primary job is not analysis. Analysis is a part, is a means to an end. It is not the end in itself. People end up becoming analysts and they stop being traders altogether. So your primary job is to be a trader and your secondary job is to be an analyst. So people, हम लोग सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर घुस जाते हैं. I don't understand. I tell people even I don't know all the features of the software. The software that we ourselves have built, we don't know because there are so many things inbuilt in the software. I don't need to know everything. I need to know only what I need to know. That's it. So ये बात समझो आप लोग. Okay? Your fundamentals of trading are very important. So let's move on to the next question. I generally do trade with call and put options, but I find it difficult in putting stop loss in the trade. I want to know, is there any other way to put stop loss in call and put? Now, this is a very good question. We have devised a very simple method of putting a stop loss in your call and put options. Okay. It is simply whatever premium you are paying. So let us assume you are paying a premium of 10,000 rupees. 50% of that, 5,000, at 5,000 rupees loss, you are supposed to put your stop loss. Simple. इफ योर जब तक आपका प्रीमियम का वैल्यू 10,000 का 5,000 नहीं होता है, यू बी इन द ट्रेड. द मोमेंट इट कम्स डाउन बिलो 5,000 यू एग्जिट दैट. सिंपल. कॉल एंड पुट में इससे सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं हो सकता है टू फॉलो एज अ स्टॉप लॉस. ओके. Next question is, as we have so many algos to as trade zone, risk meter, ATR, I don't know what this ATR means, trailing stops, such study, how can we use in futures and options to trade with confidence? Are sir, that is why we have the RT Auto Trade Scanner. I am telling you, people still don't appreciate the value of RT Auto Trade Scanner. Once you start, you know what the RT Auto Trade Scanner does, you will truly appreciate what it does for you. So ये जो question आपका है, ये सब आपको वो करके देता है, आपको करने का जरूरत नहीं है, right? So again, I will stress on my last point, focus on your trading, don't focus so much on analysis. आज की तारीख में सब एनालिस्ट बन चुके हैं, कोई ट्रेडर बचा ही नहीं है. ट्रेडर बचा नहीं है मतलब what I mean to say is, people think that trading is their secondary activity and they treat it as their secondary activity. Primary, most of their time they spend on analysis. So 90% of their time they spend on analysis and only 5% on their trades. It should be the other way around. 95% of the time you should spend on trading and only 5% on the analysis. Okay. And to tell you very honestly, that 95 to 5% ratio, 5% people make money in the stock market, 95% people lose in the stock market. Today, you know who are those 5%. Those 5% are no longer human beings. Those 5% people who are making money in the stock market are machines. The 5% who are making money in the stock market are machines. They have replaced the humans. Humans have been replaced by machines. आज आपको कोई ऐसा आदमी नहीं मिलेगा जो विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन्स जो बोलेगा कि मतलब आई एम मेकिंग मनी इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. इट इज ऑल द मशीन्स. एंड इफ यू वांट प्रूफ, you go to the US markets where 80% of all the trading that happens is happening through machines. There is no human doing those trades. The trades are being done by are being executed by machines. Okay, so if you want to be the 5% or the 95%. So if you want to be the 5%, then rely on machines. Don't rely on all this analysis. It is passé. It is past. वो time गया. It is obsolete, right? Now there are software suggestions. Cleared alert pop-up when new stock arrives. This is we are working on. Display time with stock alert. Yes, this is a suggestion that we have taken. In order book net position, if possible, provide target, stop loss and chart. So stop loss is provided in our order book. In the order book net position, stop loss is provided. Target and chart, yes, I think we anyways don't believe in target. So if you follow your stop loss, it is good enough, because if your stop loss keeps updating, then you make more and more and more profit. If you are an intraday trader, it is best to close your trades at the end of the day if your stop loss is not hit. Okay, so again, I am repeating the same thing that I said earlier, is you will see some losses where you are making money earlier. आपको लगेगा अरे यार 11 बजे इतना अच्छा पैसा मिल रहा था, 2 बजे पूरा पैसा हाथ से निकल गया. This will happen, but trust me, if you I have seen days when I was in profit of 2 lakh rupees during the day, and by the time 325 market खत्म होने के टाइम पे वो profit 40,000 रुपए पे आ गया. But at the same time, I've seen days where at 2 o'clock my profit was 40,000 rupees, and by 3:30 that 40,000 profit has turned to 6 lakh rupees profit. 6 lakhs, 5.5 lakh profit. So both sides of the coin are there. You can't just look at one side of the coin. Okay, you can't say I will play the game only if अगर coin अगर toss करेंगे तो heads भी आ सकता है, tails भी आ सकता है. You can't say I am in the game only अगर heads आएगा तो I am in the game, अगर tails आएगा तो I am not in the game. So when you अगर आपका small profit अगर आपको जाते हुए दिख रहा है, So there may be days, there will come days when you will get very big profit because of waiting for the end of the day. So both are true. So don't run after targets. I think it is an exercise in futility. Don't run behind targets. कि मतलब ये इतना मिला लेके निकल जाओ, ये इतना मिला लेके निकल जाओ. Just follow the stop loss, and in the long run you will be good. And opening chart from the order book, yes, that is something that we are working on, and that is surely it will come in our next update. Okay. So I think that's all. Those are all the questions that we had. So now what I will do is I will stop this presentation, and what I will do is I will open the forum for questions. So if you have any questions, please. There are some questions I see people have asked some questions. Chart, the risk meter shown, is it feature of Shasva? .com portal users. Okay, so there is one question here. The risk meter shown, is it feature of Shasva.com user? Of course, yes. The risk meter is is a feature of Shasva only. Is the application available for a free trial? Yes, the application is available for a free trial. I think we need to connect offline to discuss this, but it is available for a free trial. So don't worry, right? Shridhanya, I think your the name as I read here. So there is a free trial available, and you will get your free trial. So don't worry about that. Some people may be investor for some funds and may allocate some funds for short-term trading. Yes, Parshuram. Parshuram Enterprises is the name, so I'm assuming your name is Parshuram. You are right. You can allocate some fund for investor for investing and some for trading, but then you must ensure that these two are never mixed. Okay. See, you have to understand that there are one certain set of rules for long-term investing, and there are a certain set of rules for trading. You have to ensure that you follow different set of rules for these different kinds of trading and investing. But yeah, having said that, you can be an investor and a trader at the same time. There is no harm in that. But you, at the same time, you must understand that whenever you are investing, you must have the mindset of an investor, and whenever you are trading, you must have the mindset of a trader. More often than not, what happens is we have seen people intermingle the two. That is why we generally advise that what you should do if you are not able to handle this. What you should do is you should give one portfolio to someone else in your family to manage, and one portfolio you should manage. So because when you are trading, you start thinking and behaving like a trader. When you're investing, you start thinking and behaving like an investor. So these two things don't match up. So you must have a very strong psychology to be an investor when it comes to investing, and be a trader when it comes to trading. You must have a very strong psychology. If not, the best thing to do is you have someone else in your family manage that portfolio, one portfolio, and you manage the other portfolio. So I hope I have answered that question as well. Any other question? If you want, you can unmute your mic also, and you can ask. There is no problem. You can unmute your mic and you can ask the question. Anybody?
Sir, is it possible that our chart can be updated on the same day, night, so we can have a time and
Sir, your voice is very feeble, sir. Can you speak a bit louder, sir? Hello?
Yes.
I can barely hear you, sir. Your voice is very low, very feeble.
Sir, is it possible to update our charts on the same day after completion of the stock market?
Sir, you have to understand one thing, that our charts are not just charts. We are running all these algorithms at the back end, and all this process takes a lot of time. So this analysis, जो आप अगर रात को stock अगर रात को चार्ट अपडेट हो जाएगा और आप जो बैठ के जो एनालिसिस करोगे वो एनालिसिस सिस्टम आपको करके दे रहा है. तो the reason it happens so late is because there is the algorithms are being run on the server, and once the algorithms are run and all the filtration is done and all the analysis is done, and then the ready cooked meal is served in front of you. Okay, so it is not that we are giving you the ingredients, we are giving you the cooked meal. तो उसको खाना पकाने को टाइम तो लगेगा ना सर. It takes time, sir. The process takes a lot of time. Now, as and when the technology improves, if this process becomes shorter and shorter, so maybe there may come a time when we can update them in good time also. But it all depends, sir. Any other question? Anybody else? Yeah, Alan, are you there? Alan?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, Alan, I believe you had a question which I thought of taking real time, because you had given one, you had sent one screenshot, I believe. So, correct?
Yeah, I sent to
you had a query, yeah, and you had you had sent a screenshot. So I will address that. So basically, your question was, in the real time when the trades are coming, there is one long and NSE future long, NSE future short, MCX futures long, MCX futures short. When we say long, that means you're supposed to buy. When we say short, that means you're supposed to sell. Okay. Now, there are a lot of people who tell us that why don't you simplify these terms, and why don't you just, instead of long and short, why don't you just use the terms buy and sell? We can't do that because of regulations. It is not advisable to use these terms buy and sell and all that. So we have been advised by our advisors that you are not supposed to use these terms. So that is why we use NSE future long and NSE futures short. Okay. Now, if you see NSE futures long, अगर आपको NSE futures long में trade दिखता है, तो you will see a price peak. आपको एक peak price दिखेगा. That peak is the resistance. Simply put, that peak is the resistance. Okay. Now, what do we mean by resistance? जब price वो resistance break करेगा, that time you are supposed to buy. Okay. Now, if let's assume you are supposed to buy at 100 and your stop loss is 90 and the price has crossed 100 and now it is 103, your stop loss will still remain 90. It will not become 93 because आपने buy 100 का 103 पे किया है. Your stop loss will not become 90 का 93. Your stop loss remains 90. You have to understand that, right? Now, there may come times when you will have to forego the trade. कि भाई 100 पे बाइंग आया था लेकिन अभी प्राइस ही 105 हो गया है, छोड़ दो वो ट्रेड. No problem. Okay. Similarly, when we are looking at NSE futures short, you will find a trough price. Trough is the support. That means if it breaks the support, you have to short sell at that price. Okay. So let's assume that your we will take live examples. Let's say in NSE futures long, the peak is 100 rupees. तो आपको बताता है current market price is 98, peak is 100. What does that mean? It means कि ये 98 का जब 100 cross करेगा, that time you are supposed to buy. So the moment it crosses 100, it can be 100 rupees 50 paise, it can be 100 rupees 20 paise, it can be 101 rupees. Within a limit of 2%, you can buy. Okay. Now, a lot of people ask के मतलब कितना variation पे अपन buy कर सकते हैं. So the simple answer to that question is कि अगर आपने 1 लाख रुपए का रिस्क दिया है सिस्टम में, आपने बोला है कि मेरे को 1 लाख रुपए का रिस्क लेना है, एंड आपने डिवाइड किया है आपका पोर्टफोलियो इन 4 पोजीशंस, यानी एक पोजीशन में आपका रिस्क 25,000 रुपीज है. ओके, लेट्स अज्यूम योर पीक इज 100 रुपीज एंड योर ट्रफ इज 90 रुपीज. तो 100 माइनस 90, 10 रुपीज का आपका जो डिफरेंस है, वो 10 रुपीज के डिफरेंस में जितना आपको लॉट सजेस्ट किया गया है, let us assume that your risk in that particular position is 23 rupees, is 23,000 rupees. Okay, so as long as it is within 25,000 you can go ahead and buy. तो आपका 100 की जगह पे अगर आपने 102 पे बाय किया तो भी चलेगा, as long as your risk remains within 25,000. अगर risk exceeds 25,000 छोड़ दो उसको, simple, just let go of that trade. Okay, so that is why you see a peak price when you buy, when it is, the trade is in NSE future long or MCX futures long or NCDX futures long or whatever the market may be, and there is a trough price in short. So in the trough price means you are supposed to sell below that price, you are supposed to short sell below that price. The price has to go below that point for you to be able to short sell. Okay, very simple.
Hey, just a minute. Oh, one small question now on the same trend.
Yeah.
When the CMP, today I had shared this question. Let's say, let me cite you an example. Godrej CP was.
Alan, just 1 minute. I think there is something wrong with my audio. मेरे को आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है. Just give me 1 moment. I will just adjust my audio. Yes, Alan.
Yeah. So what happens? How to read this? Let's say a 75-minute chart or any tile or any tile comes up which says current market price. For instance, let's discuss this. Current market price is 702, and it is for a long trade. Long trade. 702 is CMP.
Yes.
Peak is 698, and stop loss is 688. Now, what should one read from this?
See, when it says that peak is 698. That means 702 automatically becomes a valid price for buying. Okay, because peak के ऊपर चला गया है. Okay, so it is a valid buy. Now your question is, what happens to the difference between 702 and 698? Am I right?
Yes.
Correct. ये 4 रुपए का डिफरेंस मैं दे रहा हूं, इसका क्या होगा? So the answer is very simple. 698 minus the stop loss, आपका टोटल रिस्क कितना हो रहा है? 702 माइनस द स्टॉप लॉस, आपका टोटल रिस्क कितना हो रहा है?
ओके, जैसे 698 माइनस 688 10 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस था, तो वो मैं 702 से स्टॉप लॉस लगाऊं.
10 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस था, तो आपने जितना लॉट्स खरीदा उसके हिसाब से लेट अस अज्यूम दैट यू आर वर्किंग विद अ रिस्क ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीस एंड यू हैव डिवाइडेड योर रिस्क इनटू 4 पोजीशंस. ओके, तो हर पोजीशन आपका 25,000 का रिस्क हो गया. करेक्ट. तो 702 में बाय करके 680 जो भी प्राइस है उसका स्टॉप लॉस लगा के जितने लॉट्स आप बाय कर रहे हो, इफ योर रिस्क इज स्टिल विद इन 25,000, 200-500 रुपया यहाँ वहां चलता है, नॉट एन इश्यू, यू कैन स्टिल गो अहेड एंड बाय, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू चेंज योर स्टॉप लॉस अंटिल एंड अनलेस द स्टॉप लॉस रिवाइजेस. जस्ट बिकॉज आपने 4 रुपया महंगा खरीदा, आप स्टॉप लॉस 4 रुपया ऊपर कर दो, दैट इज द रॉन्ग थिंग टू डू. Because that stop loss is a support. तो आप वो एक वैलिड सपोर्ट पॉइंट है. आप वो सपोर्ट, नेचुरल सपोर्ट को ओवरराइड करके आप एक आर्टिफिशियल सपोर्ट लगा रहे हो, which is a bad idea. So you can buy at 702. The only condition is your risk should be within the limit. As long as your risk is within the limit, you are good to go, no problem.
Fine. And there is another question in the chat if you could read out, because
yeah, please, एक मिनट. Can you, आपके पास में है? Can you?
I've sent you in the chat. No, I've sent you. No, I've sent you here.
Just. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आपने भेजा है. ओ, यहाँ पे, अच्छा. Sometimes a trade. एक minute. Acha, there are other queries also which I missed. Sorry. I've not been. I've been so busy talking that I forgot to see it. Sometimes a trade comes, it strikes the peak trough, but it goes off from the RP scanner completely. After that, leaving in confusion. Just forget that trade. If the trade has gone off, that means it has gone off. मतलब हमारे जितने भी पैरामीटर्स थे वो कोई ना कोई एक पैरामीटर पे वो अभी नाउ इट इज नॉट अभी लेट आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल जैसे 698 का आपका पीक है तो 698 के ऊपर आपको बाय करना है अभी सडनली वो स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर फॉर सम न्यूज और फॉर व्हाटएवर XYZ रीजन इट हैज शॉट टू 725 विद इन नो टाइम ओके इट हैज शॉट टू 725 विद इन नो टाइम वो ट्रेड निकल जाएगा सिंपली बिकॉज नाउ इट इज नो लॉन्गर वैलिड आप 725 पे बाय नहीं कर सकते वो 698 का बाय प्राइस था अभी 725 रुपीस है 725 पे इट इज नॉट अ बाय इट इज नो लॉन्गर अ बाय conversely
no but it happens after striking the trade
after no
after
so
the trade happens
no if you are in the trade then you just follow the stop loss अगर आप ट्रेड के अंदर हो then you don't exit the trade आप then you don't exit the trade you wait for the stop loss there is absolutely no problem Acha, there is one question sometimes next day some stock open beyond peak price so at that time we have to enter at market price or we have to wait what so I believe I have answered this question you just have to see if your risk is within the limit whatever I think किसी का माइक ऑन हो गया whatever is your risk अगर आपका risk limit के अंदर है तो थोड़ा बहुत जो difference in price है you can easily go ahead and buy or short sell whatever okay is there a demo option of the site or app available
Sir, I have one question.
Sorry who's this
Sir, I have one question. Hitesh Soni sir.
yes sir please
सर अभी एक्चुअली मैं ज्यादातर कॉल और ऑप्शन में काम करता हूँ तो उसमें मनी मैनेजमेंट हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं जैसे अभी आपने इनको बताया एलन भाई को कि 2 लाख में मैंने 1 लाख रुपया है उसमें 25,000 का मैंने 4 लॉट मुझे लेना है बराबर मतलब मुझे तकलीफ क्या होती है सर कि कॉल एंड ऑप्शन में जो लॉट होता है ना वो डिफरेंट प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से होता है सर तो उसका मैं मनी मैनेजमेंट कैसे कर सकता हूँ सर
तो एक काम करते हैं सर वी विल टेक दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफलाइन ओके because I will have to exactly understand your trading style and everything what you do
okay sir okay
so we will take this question offline I will connect with you or you can connect with me and we will discuss okay sir
thanks
okay thank you so there is one question sorry Alan yes
Please send the link for the call and option training from Shaspa. How to plan for call and option.
Yes. We'll do that. No problem. Yes, we'll do that. No problem. So there is one question: can we take option on RT show future stock? Yes, you can trade option. So again, जैसा भी बात हो रहा था वो we have already discussed it. We will share it with you. What we have discussed, we will share the video with you. Is there a demo option of the site or app available? So there is a free period available. There is a demo period available. You can easily use that and you can any backtesting report available. Mr. Parshuram says, sir, backtesting of what? Because there is intraday trading, there is index trading, there is carryover trading, there is short-term investment, there is intermediate investment, there is long-term investment. There is see backtesting. I will be very honest with you. The system is 100% automated, so the system does not operate on emotions or anything. Okay, if you see 100 cases and in 100 cases if people say they have failed, then I can guarantee you, I can assure you that in 100 cases you will find that people have made mistakes in executing the trades. They have mixed and matched. कभी उन लोग ने इंट्राडे किया है, कभी उन लोग ने जल्दी ट्रेड क्लोज कर दिया है बिकॉज द मार्केट में न्यूज खराब है. कभी जब मार्केट लॉन्ग है लेकिन शॉर्ट ट्रेड आया तो शॉर्ट ट्रेड नहीं लिया. मार्केट क्रैश हो रहा है, लॉन्ग ट्रेड आया तो लॉन्ग ट्रेड नहीं लिया, लॉन्ग ट्रेड को इग्नोर कर दिया. बहुत सारे लोग दे आर फिक्सेटेड विद वन निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी, तो हम लोग बैंक निफ्टी ही करते हैं, दूसरा कुछ करते नहीं है, और उसमें भी अपने विम्स और फैंसीज के ऊपर से काम करते हैं। कभी उनको ट्रेड लगा तो लिया, कभी नहीं लगा तो नहीं लिया। सो द बैक टेस्टिंग सर, इट इज अ बुके। अगर बुके में से आप बोलो कौन सा फूल चाहिए, तो it is very very difficult to pick a flower and give you. It is a bouquet. There are different types of trading. There is investment opportunity. There is a whole lot of things, sir. It is the best you can do is you can paper trade for yourself for 1 month and you can see. That is the best we can do. Just paper trade for 1 month and you see what and again, having said that, we have in our trading times, we have seen there are 2 months where we haven't made any money. There comes a time when in 1 month we make 1.5 months we make so much money. Like in 2020, I think in the beginning of 2020 sometime, the market really crashed for some time. 1-1.5 महीने के लिए बहुत नीचे गया था मार्केट, जब ये कोविड का एकदम नया था, and there was a lot of panic and all the markets were going down. We made very good money shorting the market. I'm sure all the people who are old here, they will agree here that there were so many good stocks in shorting, and मतलब intraday में मतलब इतना अच्छा पैसा बन रहा था shorting में, that everything was going down. So again, it depends upon the market, it depends upon the condition, it depends upon the sentiment, it depends upon the trend, it depends upon so many things. So this is a very very subjective and a vague thing to say that back testing. And back testing will be different for different if 100 people back test the same system, the same stock, they will have 100 different results. If you want, you can try it. 10 जन को काम पे लगाओ, सेम चीज करो, 10 जन का रिजल्ट अलग अलग हो, बिकॉज कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ कहीं गड़बड़ करेगा, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कुछ अपना स्ट्रेटेजी लगाएगा, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं अपना दिमाग लगाएगा. Something or the other will happen, and all the 10 results will be different. That is, I'm telling you with utmost assurance. So it is a very subjective thing, sir. Any other question? Anybody else? Or can we call it a day? Yeah. I think somebody sometimes next day, sir, we have to enter the market. So I have already answered this question. The next day. So next day, agar peak, what is the software charges? Mr. Mahendra, we will. I suggest we will connect offline for this. We will connect offline, and yeah, we will tell you everything, all that you need to know. And yeah, thank you all very much. I hope you all enjoyed. You all have enjoyed. Again, Mr. As you have automated everything, you may get back testing also automated, sir. That's exactly what I'm telling you. Now, back testing is again, it is a very subjective thing, because what happens is there are so many different types of trading, and you must have checked your system to validate. Sir, I think we need to discuss this offline, because this is a very this is a never-ending discussion. I think we will discuss this offline, and we will we will surely. I would be more than glad to answer your queries. So we will take this offline. So thank you all very much. I hope you all have enjoyed it as much as being a participant, as much as I've enjoyed being a host. And yeah, see you next week, all of you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.